Come on. Come on.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah, I don't give a damn.
Okay, but I don't need. I can put my stuff in.
Okay,
my
well,
stuff.
but I'm just watching because you're a visitor. So I don't want you to
I
steal
don't
that.
need you to do that.
All right, what's going on? Take your stuff, and I got a Fiesta bag for you too.
And don't call my phone.
I ain't gonna call your phone. As a matter of fact, the phone's gonna be off. So you got to get you another phone, sister.
Your phone gonna be off.
Okay, well, I don't care either. Okay,
You
so
want
what?
my stuff, so go back to your.
That's small things. I got the big things
It
up
don't
out the
matter.
way.
It don't matter. I'm just telling you, don't call me.
Well, I don't care. Put your stuff in the car. Hurry up. Ain't got all day. And make sure you hurry up now. I ain't got all day. I got to get back
Why
on my
are you
rush.
rushing me? Don't
Because
rush
I got to
me.
get back on my rush.
And this is not all my stuff. So what you finna do? You finna go in there and get it?
No, you just come back tomorrow.
I'm not coming back tomorrow. Once I leave,
I gotta
I'm
pack
gone.
your stuff up.
Once I leave, I'm gone. I don't need you touching my stuff.
I will have
Once
somebody
leave,
here to
I'm
give
gone.
you your stuff.
Once I leave,
Okay?
I'm gone. No,
Okay.
I'm gonna get my stuff now.
I'm going and get the rest of the stuff, and then I'll think about it.
That's not. This not. You don't think about nothing. That's my stuff in there.
I understand it's your stuff, but you got to come on with it. I'm not playing with you. Hurry up now.
No, you want to do it now, or I'm gonna get the police. So what? Then?
Police, get him.
You don't want it because I have right to go in that house.
No, you do not.
Yes, I do.
How the hell you got a right?
Because my name on there too.
Okay, well, I got receipts that I paid this goddamn mortgage.
It don't matter. My name is on it.
I'm sorry.
Who
Well, it don't
cares?
matter.
Nobody care about that.
And what? Should they show you ain't got no damn key in there? So
talking about what you
yeah,
paid for.
I don't care. Take all this shit. Take that too.
My stuff ain't shit.
Okay,
You shit. Full of it.
No, you full of shit.
Oh, you full of shit.
Talking about you went to Austin. Yeah, right. Yeah, hell is that. I don't care about no damn. Talking about you went to Austin. You ain't run no damn Austin.
Don't tell me what I did.
Yeah. Go back to Austin.
Don't tell me what I did.
Wherever you went, you finna go right back.
Don't tell me
go
what
have a
I
good
do.
time too.
I gonna tell me what I'm finna do.
Yeah. Do that.
And give me my money then since you ain't using these new filters I just bought.
First of all, you don't know your house
Give me my
because that is the wrong damn size for this house.
First
So
of all,
obviously, you whatever goddamn
First of all, that's the number that you told me.
Ain't nobody
not saving it in my phone. So you don't know your house, sir.
No, ma'am. So whatever you did or bought
That
it
is
for,
what you told
get your
me.
ass over there. Damn the filters. Get you and your filters ass up out of here.
My stuff is still here. My stuff and the rest of my stuff.
Well, when I go up in there, you standing right here until I get
Don't
done.
tell me what to do.
Okay?
Once
Nah,
again,
you standing right there until I
obligated
get
to go in
done.
that house
You
because
ain't
it's still
obligated to do
my
a
house.
goddamn thing. No, you stay right here until I put your stuff out. I got the damn key, a brand new ass key. And man, what you doing? No.
I'm back in childish.
Well, I guess you ain't gonna get your shit. I told you stay here on the porch. You
I'm
are
back
a
in
visitor.
childish. I'm not a visitor.
You're a damn visitor. That's what it's gonna be.
This is my house.
Okay, but now, let me get my ass up here and get your stuff, and then I have your stuff out here. Okay?
You're not supposed to be doing my stuff any kind of way like you just did.
Well, why don't you just call the laws? Call the laws.
You don't want me to call them.
Call them. Because I got the key, you don't. I don't know you. I don't know you.
Okay.
Okay, you trying to get you
How you
all
don't
on my
know me?
porch.
So why you got your wedding ring on?
Huh?
Why you got your wedding ring on
Well,
then?
yeah, you can take this, motherfucker. You can take this too, because you're going to need this.
But you still need.
Yeah,
You
take
still,
that.
you
Take that.
still,
Okay.
you gotta watch what you say, cause you gonna
You
regret
just wait
it.
right here.
You gonna regret it.
Yeah,
Let
you
me in
just
this
wait
house.
right here. I'll be right back.
Let me in. Dang, oh, he childish. I'm so tired of him. I'm so stupid.